Hey guys, it's me Kenny and welcome to Unfiltered with Kenny, and today I am with Anna and Jegs. Hey guys, how are you?
We're good. It's hot. You
This is
know,
your mic,
we're
actually. I
hot.
already have my own hair. So how's everything? It's Sunday, it's sunny here right now.
It's Monday.
Oh yeah.
It's National Heroes
Doesn't look like
Day.
it's Sunday,
You
though.
know,
Because-
it does.
Yeah, because like we're working really hard like from Monday to Friday, and it just feels like it's Sunday, then tomorrow is like work day again.
The time is so fast. Honestly, I thought we were just gonna get, yung regular... Can I speak Tagalog on this
Of course naman,
podcast?
of course.
Diba? Ang mga ating mga kababayan viewers, hello! What's up, madla
kayo?
people?
Actually, wala akong masabi.
Bakit naman?
May hangover pa ako eh.
Mga hangover, mga auntie
Bakit na
mo.
ginawa mo kagabi?
Nag-inom kami ng
Nino?
todo.
Ng ano mo, ng bebe love mo.
Oh my God. Number ano yan?
Actually, number 47.
Ay, wow. Candidate number 47, step up. Sino man yun?
Mga ilang numbers na ganyan sa phone mo?
Mga 89 pa lang naman.
You came prepared, ha? May microphone and everything.
Of course,
I mean, at the
yeah.
beach, we're holding a microphone.
Kasi
It's
like,
just,
like if I want something, talagang pinopursue ko na. So since I don't do anything on like weekends, talagang...
Kala ko sasabihin mo, if I want something, pinupursue ko. So, gusto ko ng microphone. Kaya bibili ako ng microphone.
Then like for me, if I, like, kasi diba, you know naman na wala akong masyadong ginagawa on the weekends. And before I used to be barista in Cafe del Sol.
Ah,
So, diba?
yes,
So now that I don't do it anymore,
So speaking of like barista, alam mo ba ang ating friendly over here, you makes flavors, right?
Yeah.
Like gumagawa ka ng mga flavors before. It's kind of like similar
like what?
industry.
Flavors.
Saan ka nag-work dati pala nun? Where, ano yun? Yung ginagawa mo, nagmi-mix ka ng mga...
Oh my God, sa Philippines. I
Oh, you're a
work.
barista too.
Yeah.
Yeah, girl. Maraming barista dun sa bahay.
Pag sa barista ba, do you need like qualification to become one? Because I know like in here, you don't actually need a qualification. Usually ano lang, titrain ka lang nila for like few weeks. Then that's it. Iiwan ka na nila. You just do your own. Ganun kasi
Oh,
ginawa sa
there's a
akin eh.
training here. I thought there's no. Oh my God.
Walang training there pero iiwan ka nila.
Since barista ka naman sa Pilipinas.
Not exactly a barista, but
Pero ano, diba, like, ano ba yung first job mo dito or something?
I'm
Hospitality,
okay.
right?
Yeah. No.
No?
Yeah.
So why did you not like, did barista dito sa Cayman? Like on your next job?
Actually, mahirap eh.
Huh?
Yeah. Ayoko munang magpalit-palit ng job.
Well, to be honest, it's been naman eh. Kasi nag-iba na yung policy ngayon.
Yeah.
Regulations. So, yes, ano ba yung feeling na, like, I know Anna is Caymanian and is also from here. And
Yeah.
it's the same thing with me. Nandito kami lumaki. Ano yung feeling na, like, for you, especially your family is back home in the Philippines, feeling na malayo ka sa kanila, and like, do you communicate like every day? How do you keep in touch? And especially, do you know anyone here in the Cayman Islands before you?
Yes, I have.
You know someone already here?
Yeah.
Pero ano yung feeling na malayo ka na sa family mo? And Cayman Islands is like more far than any
It's so far. It's like 3 days travel, di ba, B?
Everything.
Ilang days ka nag-travel?
Almost 3 days.
Almost 3 days.
That's the actual, like, the cheapest ticket is kung gano'ng katagal yun, mas mura, di ba?
Yeah. Mga siguro...
Kasi I know, like, for the US, it's gonna be more faster.
Yeah,
Kasi pag
US.
sa UK, parang all the way up, then going down. Like,
Parang tayo mong stop.
yes.
Mhm.
Pero ano yung feel mo, like, as an OFW?
Mahirap. Ayun lang yung sabi ko. Mahirap.
Ano yun, di ba? Sa change ng lifestyle, nubi talaga. no? I
Oo,
mean,
sa sobrang
yeah,
like
diba?
living your life to working.
To you have to live your life. From living your life to you have to live your life.
Yeah, exactly.
Kasi hanggang ngayon, kahit matagal na ako nandito, girl, like, I still feel that afternoon na lalabas kami ng mga friends ko, tapos maglalaro lang kami ng tago-tagoan or bamsak, what they call it, diba? Ganun pa rin yung, namimiss ko pa rin ganung lifestyle. Talaga. And get to go to the malls.
Siyempre, di ba, yung parang kahit dito tayo lumaki, parang yung, kasi di ba sinasabi nila na kung saan ka lumaki, that's actually your own country na.
Kinda, yeah.
Yun yung
Well,
sinasabi nila, right?
yeah.
Kasi like for me, last time, merong parang mga guys na pumunta dun sa bahay ko, like to do my laundry. And they asked me like, where are you from? Sabi ko, I grew up here in the Cayman Islands, pero I feel like yung parents ko is actually from the
Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah.
Tapos sabi niya na, well, you grew up here, you've been here for longer, then this is actually your country now.
Mm.
Which I do understand as well. Pero for me, I still respect my blood
Mm-hmm.
and my nationality, which is also the Philippines.
Oh yeah, definitely. You know,
Yes.
the new trending bebot is coming. So we're the new, you know, hot thing out there, I would say. Mga bebot.
Bebot.
Yeah.
Have you seen that on TikTok? No.
yet.
No, you should search it up. Just search it up.
Ikaw naman, Ana, like, how would you describe your past and your present, which is now?
And I mean like like life wise. Beep. Charing.
Ayan na, spill the tea.
Spill the tea. Wait lang. Oh no.
So, ikaw naman, Ken, ikaw naman ang aking tatanungin. Pag nasa bar ka, ano yung sinasabi mong pangalan? Sinasabi mo ba yung tunay mong pangalan at tunay mong nationality? Like,
Of course.
no.
I don't know though, I don't know how to lie. Hindi ko kaya.
Oh.
Because even if they ask me like, where you from? Kahit gusto ko magsabi ng iba, I couldn't.
Tapos sasayaw siya pag sinabi niya kung tagasan siya.
Oh my God, I'm from the Philippines.
Pero yeah, kasi minsan talaga gusto ko magsabi ng ibang name and like where I'm actually from. Pero hindi ko magawa. Parang I feel like it's a sin already. Pag nag-like kasi isang tao. So I always have to tell the truth.
Yeah, like, lagi ko,
Ka ng fan, paano yung
lagi ko sinasabi pag nasa labas ako lagi ko sinasabi is taga Thailand ako, ganun.
Really? I mean like kasi you have that itsura naman eh.
Hindi sanay siya mag-Thai, ano.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pero before Cayman Islands, you were in Thailand?
No?
Never
Vietnam.
been there?
Yeah, no.
Oh,
I've never been there.
Philippines na talaga,
Yeah.
then yung pinakuna niya talagang long travel is the Cayman Island.
Hindi talaga like, pag lumalabas kami, tapos tinatanong siya where you're from, Thailand, tapos
Thailand.
magsasalita siya ng Thailand.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Pero yung Thailand mo is
Like yung,
loko-lokohan lang.
no,
Or
like,
do you
sawari ka, like sawari ka.
Eh paano pag yung kasusap mo marunong rin mag-Thailand?
Yeah. And then, he talked to me using a Thai language, and then I was like, hello?
Pretending you're talking to someone else.
Yeah. Then, actually, I don't know how to speak Thai. Yeah.
Nakalimutan na.
We just have like, alam mo yung paglalabas ka, may iba kang preferred name
Yeah.
or preferred identity,
Ikaw rin ba?
kumbaga.
Ginagawa ba? Oh, di ko alam.
Pero hindi ko pa rin sabihin kasi malalaman nilang ako to.
Oh.
Well, when I used to go
Pag
out,
sinabi na, I want to follow you on your Instagram.
I don't do social media.
Ay, ganon. Any social media?
Any social media.
Ganun pala kayo, ha?
Oo naman, B. Kasi naman, syempre, hindi mo naman kasi alam. Identity, your true
Kung
identity.
sa akin na talaga, I always tell the truth agad kung sino talaga ako. So, yeah, that's
Ano sinasabi mo? What's your name? My name is Ken.
Ken.
Pag may gusto talaga ako, kagaya ng microphone, bibili ko.
Pag may gusto ko, dapat nakukuha ko. Ganun na ka. Pero yeah, yung question ko sa'yo earlier,
Yes.
how would you describe your past and your present? Spill the tea?
Oh my God, B. Wala tayong tea today. You know, siguro
Ay,
pag
kung sinabi.
na you get to know me. Sa different vlog na get to know me. Ganon siguro. But I think like my past, it was very, I was just gonna say, I'm just gonna say busy. Like super, super busy in every
You actually
aspect.
tell Jags that we known each other for like a very long time.
How long have we
Kasi-
known each
No, kasi I
other?
feel
We
like,
we known each other for
si
so
Jags
long.
is- I feel like we're not okay yet during that time, right?
We're not fully okay.
Yeah.
I mean, we're still not okay.
For real. I mean, it's your fault.
We're not okay. I don't like
It is
this.
your fault. You disappeared. Diba?
Girl naman, like,
You
Kailan
disappeared,
this?
girl. Ginaganyan ka.
I don't wanna talk about
Well,
this.
just be honest. Like, parang marinig din ni Jegs and everything.
I don't wanna talk about it.
No, girl, just say it.
Girl, honestly, I'm gonna walk out. I don't wanna talk about
Yeah.
it. I don't
If you
wanna talk
want
about it.
then go ahead.
Cheers,
down.
good.
Girl. So,
Hindi ko magawa. Hindi ko magawa. Hindi ko magawa. Susunod talaga yun. Hindi ko magawa na. Hindi na niya kaya. Namapusan niya yung burger niyo. Para lang di ma-awkwardan.
Pagi ako
Sa next na. Sa next na lang yun. Hindi, ikaw. How about your past and your future? How about your past and your present?
my past, I would probably say, wala akong pagsisisihan.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I feel like the past is a lesson.
Yeah, every past is a lesson.
Past is a lesson. And the most important is the present, which is my life is just pure of positive things.
Yeah, you're buying whatever you
So
want.
it's not about that one because I'm also with someone who I can trust and who loves me. So parang for me, like, I want to say thank you to the past. And I'm happy right now kasi it teach me a lot of lesson na rin naman
Ay,
eh.
truth. Alam mo yun.
I try to be more careful now, unlike before, I just, party lang, kung sino-sino sinasamahan and everything. So ngayon na I'm more just parang sa bahay lang, pero I'm happy kasi I
Mas
have...
pinipili mo
Yes.
ang sarili mo and your time, your peace. I mean, you still have the itch to sometimes go out, like
Of course.
not in a way of like partying, but you just want to dress up and just probably have like a meal
Like,
or
for me,
something
hindi na kasi
nice.
Like, the same as you, hindi na kasi ako masyadong umiinom. Na hindi na rin ako like,
Same as me.
That's what we call in love. Yeah.
I don't go in the bar anymore as well. So talagang focus na lang ako like in the house and
Pagka
and just dinner.
pagka trip namin ni Kit uminom, like kami lang minsan talaga sa kwarto. Kasi well, mostly kasi
Kayo?
sa kami dalawa.
Mm.
Minsan kasi ito, late siya umuwi. Like, super late na 1 a.m. na B.
Yeah.
Patapos na kaming uminom ni Kit. Tapos, uwi na siya. Bigla na lang
Tapos
susunod.
lahat ng party, hinahabol ko na lang.
Hinahabol na lang niya. Like, it's so hard, as a young,
Yeah.
I would say a young OFW. Kasi you try to, like, not invest so much in being too much of a breadwinner.
Mm. To be
But you
honest,
also wanna have fun same time, di ba?
speaking of breadwinner, let's talk about breadwinner. I feel like the three of us actually are the breadwinners.
Not
of the
really.
family. No, that's what I feel.
That's how you
Kasi ikaw
feel.
nagto ka sa abroad, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I bet all your family is back home in the Philippines. Kasi ikaw rin naman yung like you're helping your family and everything. Which is the same as
Not
me.
all the time. I'm gonna be honest, but not all the time, girl.
Pero yeah.
Actually, it's not a breadwinner, it's a backup.
Yeah, I'm more of like the USB. Like yung last resort mo na talaga.
Pero, how does it feel like being a breadwinner? Kasi alam ko, like most of the Filipinos are like that.
Yeah, very much. Even if they're not even the breadwinner, even if lahat sa family yung nagwo-work, like, I'm pretty sure like may mga family na nandito yung isa, yung iba nasa States, nasa Dubai, whatever. So feel ko like lahat ng mga OFWs talaga is just they make life closer to them with what they have wherever they are.
But, yes, sa akin naman is, being a breadwinner is a bit hard. But for me, what I learned about it is you're not supposed to give everything back home because they need it. Dapat may tinitira ka rin sa sarili mo kasi ikaw yung nagtatrabaho eh.
Yeah.
It's supposed to
Exactly.
be balanced. If you want to help your family, then go ahead. But make sure you have enough money to save yourself as well in case of emergency. Siyempre, like you only depend on yourself, right? So like for me, I'm actually balancing all my financials. Like, di ako nag-support sa ibang like other people. Because I know some people support their nephew, their cousins, whatever.
Yeah.
I feel like that should be their responsibility. My responsibility is only my family, which is
Like you're
my
literally
sister.
like your siblings.
Yes,
Pero
exactly.
yung mga cousin and everything, that's different and na.
I mean, like honestly, when
No,
I
for
get
me,
the
it's easy
chance,
to help your cousin.
If you have enough money.
Yeah.
Pero if
yeah,
you don't have enough, pero you also should consider yourself as well na, I need to invest something kasi in the future I need a house, I need a property. Kasi, like in the future, they think if anything happens to you, tingin mo ba tutulungan ka nila or something?
Actually, yes.
They don't have like work or anything.
For me, yes.
For you, yes?
I guess siguro kasi super close ang family mo, be. Yung mga ganun. Yung siguro yung bond niya. Siguro depende sa bond ng mga family.
Yeah.
Like kids family is so nice. They're so like warm to each other. Like you can tell the love and whatever. I mean,
Oh, that's good though, yeah.
my family too, we love each other. We do. But we don't show it. Hindi kami nag-showy ganun. Hindi kami
Kami rin, like with
mayakap or like
we don't
whatever.
say I love you or everything. We just say like, oh, I
Yeah.
miss you.
I
That's
do
it.
sometimes. I get cheesy with my cousins and whatever. Especially when they had the babies. When they had their babies, like oh my goodness, girl, like iba yung love mo sa baby nila and sa sarili mong cousin. Iba yung tingin mo na sa kanila, like super warm, super soft ka na. Ganon.
Yeah. But honestly, because some of my cousins helping me.
Oh, yeah.
That's
Nice,
why.
nice. Are they all nasa Pinas or...
Yeah, nasa Pinas.
Ito, may sabihin ako sa'yo. I was looking at these questions earlier.
Mm,
Gusto kong sagutin mo and I want to hear your answer for this question.
okay.
And you know, a lot of people who are like this.
Mm.
What advice? This is regarding the financials, like savings and everything, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because I don't know, I just love that topic so much.
Mm-hmm.
You know, like for me, I love giving advices, even
You're
though I'm
very-
not like
mm.
rich, you know.
Are you not rich?
No, I don't consider myself rich.
Right now, right now there's 3 cameras facing us. That's worth
1 and 2 and 3.
probably someone's salary for like a month.
No, kasi let's talk about like financials. I started like you guys as well, like you like a barista customer service.
Yeah.
And I love it, you know.
Mm.
I love working on it. And like I said on my earlier podcast na when I graduated back home in the Philippines 2016, yung bumalik na ako sa Cayman, yung una kong probably like around like second salary ko in Cafe Del Sol and customer service sa American Airlines, I purchased a land immediately. And that land is 50,000 pesos. 50,000 pesos. 50,000 KYC.
CI, yes.
So, my parents doesn't know anything about it. Talagang tinago ko lang. I have to do everything by myself, like all the requirements and everything.
Yeah, because you're older now, right? You don't need
Yes.
your parents'
Pero-
consent at the time.
Yeah, because like for me, I always look towards my future. And I don't want to depend on my parents on giving me properties or everything. I rather do it myself. So talagang una ko in-invest is yung land. And I only told my friends like after 3 months.
Na may land ka na.
Yes. Then we view it in West Bay. Then
Ano pa rin yung...
I think so. I think it's still ano pa rin. Pero yung value niya kasi tumaas pa lalo. Kasi for me, like, you know, I sold it 50.
Oh, you sold it.
No, I mean, like, I bought it 50, then I
Oh.
sold it 120.
Okay.
Then after the 120, binay ko na yung Downtown Ridge, which is yung apartment ko.
Ay, bongga yun.
So I kept the land for 3 years. Then I bought the apartment. Then I feel like it's more worth it as well.
Mhm.
Kasi syempre napaparentahan mo na, you don't have to do any more renovation. So the only stressful about it is in buying the furnitures. Kasi mamahal na mga expensive mga furnitures dito sa Cayman.
And then, wala yung iba dito, so you have to order it.
Yes. So like for me, if you're going to ask me for an advice or like say na kakagraduate lang ng tao or like want to ask like what should I do, my advice will be investing a property. Make that a priority. Not like spending something on like shopping, going to travel, you know. Parang dapat dapat lagi mo tinitingnan yung future mo.
Oh my God, guys, di ako makarelate dito.
Ganun
Kasi
ako.
nga, ano ko.
Gastadora tayo eh.
Gastadora
Kaya
tayo.
tahimik namin ni Jax right now. Super gastadora. Hindi naman sa super gastadora, pero like, I feel like me and Jax have the same perspective of like,
Yeah.
we just love to live. You know, we don't worry about what we have to do or what we don't quite see where we're going yet, but we live in the moment.
Yeah,
kumbaga.
As long as
actually.
you're living the moment and everything.
Pero nag-hit din naman talaga sa atin yung, okay, we need to save
Exactly.
eventually.
because-
It's just not our time, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Comes at the right time as well. Pag ready ka na and make sure that you're financial stable. Na dapat nakabalance lahat before you actually invest on anything else. Kasi syempre, ayaw mo rin ma-stuck sa like mga mortgages that you can pay and everything. So you wanna make
Debt.
sure na dapat. Pero like I said, sa mga ganyang bagay, dapat kung mag-invest ka na, you will have to stop something first. Like
sacrifice, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Parang stop ka
A lot of
dito sa
things.
shopping, stop ka muna.
Oh my God,
Okay,
yung mukha
maybe
nito.
next year.
Check us on our next podcast next year. Kung nasa na si
Maybe
Jake.
next year.
So,
Hindi, I mean like,
ikaw, may question ako sa'yo. Have you ever faced a financial difficulties?
yeah, every day. I mean in a way of like, napakamahal lang talaga dito. Like, it's so expensive here. As soon as you step out and you crave for, you just don't crave for anything. For me, right, I'm such a foodie. Like, I love to go to restaurants. I love fast food. I love trying new things. I love anything that I can chew and fucking swallow. I'm so... I should be cursing. I love everything that I can eat, whatever. Kaya, dun lahat na pupunta yung pera ko. This is my investment. My fats are my investment. Hindi, pero, ano, talaga, like...
Pero as long as you make yourself happy, then that's good.
Yeah, right now, yun yung sinasabi ko sa sarili ko. Like, I'm in that stage na parang nagmamadali ako mag-save to buy a house. Pero, my plan is to buy a house or to move out of here.
Okay, man.
Yeah.
Why?
Just to explore, be like, you know, just to be...
Me too, I want to live in Canada.
Yeah, somewhere nice and cold or maybe
Canada or...
Hawaii. I don't know why I keep
No,
saying
I don't
Hawaii
know
whenever
Hawaii.
someone asks me where I want to go.
Bretman? Girl.
I
Bitch.
think the fuck. I think just the view in Hawaii.
With a
right?
laptop, with a
Ito,
lot of
ano,
chickens.
I can see her at somewhere Spanish.
Yeah.
Somewhere
Dominican
ulala mami
Republic.
papacito or some shit.
Yeah. No,
Mama,
I don't want to Cuba.
Alright.
No, I just... No, it was a joke.
Mamacita pero seasoning.
Because I think if you go in Cuba, di ka na makakapunta sa US.
Correct.
Huh?
Hindi ka makapunta sa US, yeah.
What do you mean?
They will cancel your visa once you go.
Yeah.
Bakit?
Pag nakapunta ka ng Cuba, hindi ka na makakatungtong ng US.
Like there,
Alam mo yung ano, yung... I think one of your colleague, he wants to Cuba, then he lost his ESTA.
one of my colleagues? Girl, you think I business about...
But, madali lang pumunta sa Cuba, sobrang mura lang eh.
Oo, yung iba nga nagbobote.
Oo. Ay, wala.
Tayo. May tenders dito, oh. Okay, mga fries.
Chanel, tapos yung ano. Ala kasi tayo yung ano eh, yung trendy, yung mahaba
You
yung
can
kuko.
remove this, you know. Oops, natanggal.
Can we do one?
If you don't do flip.
Pero sushi.
Oo, no? Later. Habang sinasagutan ko yung ano, sa immigration.
Dito yan.
Yeah, you can just flip it there. Ikaw gusto mo bang?
Yeah.
Ang bongga. Ayan, para makagalaw tayo ng ano, ng bonggang-bongga.
Patay mo na ng mic para pwedeng kumanta.
Nangawit ako kagabi.
Ay, iba na yun.
Ayun nga eh.
Ayun nga eh. Nangawit ka rin ba kagabi?
Ayun nga, ano nga.
Ano?
Charis.
Pwede ko naman nagkwento
Nang,
mga bagay-bagay na gusto mong...
Like, anong difference ng, I would say siguro,
Ano difference ng 3 inch?
ano yung difference ng Pilipino saka sa abroad?
siguro ano lang, yung
Hindi
link,
tuli.
Oh my God.
Yung kayo.
alam nyo ha, kayo ha, kayo na, patuli translate mo to. Hindi, like, difference siguro ng resources, in meaning like, dito, diba, ang tagal pag nakikipag-usap ka sa tao or whatever. Like, when someone reach out to you, feel ko siguro mas madali sa atin kasi,
No, mas madali dito.
really,
Yeah. Exactly.
alam mo yun, di ba dati meron kang Bumble? May Bumble ka ba? Ano yung mga app mo dati? Ako kasi Roblox lang eh.
Uy.
Oo, tsaka Minecraft.
Ayun nga, Ken. Ano yung ginagamit mo dati?
Nintendo kasi sa akin eh.
Ano ang ginagawa mo dati?
Like what, dating app?
Mm-mm.
Tinder.
Tinder-esque. Kaso,
Ikaw, ano ba yung ginagamit mo?
Grinder.
Ikaw, marami ka ginagamit. Di lang yun.
No, grinder lang.
Oo. Malapit kami nakausap doon.
Oo, pero mas more on pagka lumalabas ako.
Ah.
Like isang
Mas
labas
madali.
lang. Ganun. Oo, mas
mabenta to.
Ayun nga sinasabi ko.
Mabenta to sa mga nakakilala dito.
May manager.
Sa mga yung lalo na yung nakakita sa akin Pilipino na nagtatrabaho sa The Hive.
Kuya, putulin mo na yan. Hindi mo na kailangan yan.
Kuya, sorry ginamit yung public toilet.
Sorry lang, di siya nag-lock.
May kadate ako, nandun na kami, so ayun na. Tapos pumasok si Kuya. Nakita niya kami.
Tapos,
Ang ginagawa nyo?
nagugas ng kamay.
Nagugas lang ng kami.
Oo, inugasan niya kasi yung kamay niya.
Isang
Ha?
toilet.
Bakit? Isa lang naman yung toilet doon eh. Out of order yung isa.
Ay, ganun. So, nag-share na lang sila.
May nagugas din kasi ng kamay sa kabila.
Feeling ko nga Thailander siya eh.
Sino? Yung ano?
Yung lalaki.
Yung dude.
Ay hindi, iba pa yung Canadian ata.
Oh my gosh, ang dami.
Oo nga, kung saan-saan nga yan. Hindi na niya need mag-travel, no? Tipid yan pagdating sa mga travels.
Mm-mm.
Minsan, no, pag nag-travel kami, mga apartments ka na natitiran, may Airbnb na agad.
May kama na agad.
Oo nga, ang dami ko na nga naging followers na dito eh. Sa chicken, bawal kasi ako kumain ng malansa ngayon.
May ano siya ngayon?
Nagre-red na yung mga chicks mo.
Oh my God. It's so natural.
That's natural, girl,
Yeah,
honestly.
bago ako pumunta dito, kakagising ko lang.
Natural na tomato yan. Sila ni Kit pag nalalasig. Nagiging tomato. Oh my gosh. Anyway, yeah. So, nun nga lumabas si Jegs.
Tumutong.
Tapos nagmamakaawa siya doon. Kuya! Si Kuya nasa likod, habol-habol. Sabi niya, buti ka kasi naglalak ng pinto.
Tapos, si Ana kumukol sa akin. Hindi ko na kumukol siya. Sabi niya, nasan ka na? Paglabas ko ng CR. Ang naiinis ako na nagagalit ako.
Oo.
Si Kuya naman kasi.
Oo. Sabi ni Kuya,
Saan ano yan?
sa Hive. Sabi niya, yun na nga lang daw yung break time niya.
Hindi pa ako nakapunta doon eh. Sa Hive, saan ba banda yun?
So, may tapat ng J. Michaels.
Oo. Pagpunta mo, bebenta rin kita. Ha? Hindi.
Ito ba tayo, no?
Hindi ka pa nagpupunta doon before.
Pagka kasi nag-bar ako yung kumakausap minsan eh.
Hindi,
Ang benta talaga.
hindi mo na nga kasi kailangan silang kausapin, girl. Like that guy, when we went, pagdating namin sa Hive, wala bang 1 minute. Nag-iisip pa lang ako kung anong iinumin ko. Umpo na si Jegs, sabi nung lalaki. Wala na. Yun na yun.
Ayun na yun.
Kakaupo lang ni Jegs.
Tapos ang pogi niya, no? Sobrang ang pogi niya. Like,
Ayan, may
Binibigyan niya ng
ebidensya
drinks,
tayo,
sabi.
guys.
no, nag-usap lang kami. Yun na, nagpaplano siya.
Kaso nga lang yung guy, may kasamang girl.
Nagalit pa yung
Galit
girl.
yung girl. Kaso nga lang, mas maganda talaga naman si Jegs. Oo.
Inaway ako nung girl.
Anong sinabi?
Sabi, hindi
Magbalat ka nga ng patatas doon, sabi ganun siya rin. Princess Sarah.
Sino dyan? Nila ka mo.
Eh,
Ay, may tsura.
di ba?
Di ba, girl?
Canadian.
Ay, hindi lang kasi super ano ngayon, super cold ngayon sa Canada.
Kaya nga nag-init sila kay
Ba't yun
Jegs.
sinama
B.
dito?
Hindi, actually, nagkita lang kami sa bar nun. Hindi ko kinuha yung, niya, yung social niya.
Hindi, tignan mo, hindi kami
Hindi ako pala
nagaganon.
kuha,
Hindi
eh.
kami
Ano yan?
pala, ano.
Wala, sa different guy lang.
Naloka ko doon. Kala nga, yun ang una kong tanong, di ba? Same guy? Nung lumabas, same guy ba? Sabi niya, hindi, iba.
Iba.
Kawakan, dami mo nang iyak na.
Oo, kada magbabar ako.
Hindi kasi pag nagbabar kami dati ni Ken, we just sit down, you know, and
Ano lang kumakausap sa atin.
walang kumakausap.
Actually, nung first bar ko nga dito, mapapaaway si Kit eh.
Sikit pa mismo yung papaaway.
Iuwi ako
Nag-bar
ng lalaki.
kami, and then pagdating dun sa pinaka-bar, may guy sa tabi ni Jegs. And then, he was like, you know, talking to Jegs. But then we were ready to go. Eh, binili ka ng drinks, di ba? Binili ka
binili niya
isa,
ako ng drinks.
tapos bibili ka pa niya ulit.
Tapos nilabas niya lahat ng pera niya kung ano daw yung gusto ko. So,
Yeah, kung anong card, whatever. Eh, ready na kami. So sabi ni Kit, Jegs, tara na. Ano, nagalit yung guy kay Kit. Like, mag-aaway pa sila over Jegs.
first ko yun, first bar ko dito yun, first labas ko, nakasama
Di
sila.
ba, di ba yung dati tayo, yung naghahanap ako ng love life and everything, walang lumalapit sa akin. I don't even know why. Kasi nga minsan tinatanong ko na rin, Tek, pangit ba ako? Hindi ba ako karapat-dapat?
Oo, B.
Ganon.
Pangit ka.
Sinabi na rin.
Hindi, Gagi. Ano lang siguro kasi we're very like, we're just, I don't know. we
Siguro
just
malandi
stand
lang
there.
talaga ako. Malandi. Palatitig
Hindi,
kasi
meron-
ako eh.
Meron din kasi yung talaga mabenta ang mukha.
Oh.
Alam ko kasi sa Pilipinas pa lang, mabar na ako. So alam ko na.
Paano yung, kunyari, like nasa bar ka? Paano yung mga,
Ganyan,
Pag
natural.
alam ko lang, bayang ganyan lang. Tapos pag alam kong gusto niya ako, tititigan niya ako.
Sumasayaw na yan, hindi mo na yan makakausap. Gaganon, ganun.
Ala, ganyan lang.
ano, tapat naman doon.
Hindi, tititigan niya.
view eh.
Tititigan niya lang ako. So, tititigan ko din siya. So, alam ko na gusto
Pero
niya
alam mo,
ako.
kahit nagtititigan sila, they already did it in their minds. Parang ganun tingin.
Oo.
Ginagawa niya na.
Minsan na-try ko na din sa CR ng The Bird. Charis.
Ay, nag-feel ng TV.
Shout out. Buti na lang ni-renovate yun, no? Tapos nilinis, tapos dinanahan na lang ng art.
Actually, nakita ko na.
Ala siya.
Ay,
Oh my God,
Ala siya.
bago na naman.
Ala siya.
Hinga.
Ang benta mo,
Paano
be.
mo anihingan?
Ay, hindi. Wala akong ano eh.
Paano
Wala
mo
akong...
kainin? Huwag maraming dalang aso. Di ba, dati talaga, B, kasi you have to think about it kasi we look very like, I wouldn't say intimidating. Di ba may mga ganun intimidating na ayaw kausapin ng mga guys, whatever. Tapos na-question ko na rin yun before kay Kit. And Kit was saying like, if he didn't really know me, hindi niya ako approachin kasi mukha daw akong, alam mo yung parang
Parang,
ang taas.
like class.
Yeah, like class. But hindi naman, honestly, makeup lang yun. And most of my makeup are for Shein.
Saka hindi
The thing
kasi...
is the way you, parang yung sa,
The way,
parang posture
The way-
mo. Ganun po.
the way you...
Ayun nga. Baka kasi nga syempre hindi mo na hinahanap yung... kasi yun sa bar naman usually wala namang
Ever since wala nang
forever.
libre sa akin.
Oy, naglilibrihan tayo doon, ah.
Like, lagi naman like ibang tao. Like, wala nang libre sa akin ever since na.
Eh, kasi nga mukha nga ikaw yung manlilibre. Hindi ka
Oo
naman
nga.
ganun kasi.
Ako kasi pagka magbabayad na ako sasabihin lang siya na yung magbabayad. Sabi ko, go. Bakit
Bigla yan.
babayaran?
Magbabayad yan si Jex, bigla na lang siyang gaganunin.
Isasama natin si Chris.
Kung gusto niyo pong makatipid, ilalagay po namin yung link ng IG niya dito. Paki-DM na lang.
Sama nyo lang si Jex, libre na agad yung mga pagkain.
Hindi, pagka ayan, lalabas ako, pupunta kami ng hotel kakain, di ba?
Ay?
Oh my
Gusto
God,
mag-hotel.
B. Alam mo, ang tagal na natin ditong dalawa. Ilan pa lang ang hotel sigurong napupuntahan natin dito. No?
Oo, konti pa lang.
Konti pa lang. Eto, bigla nagsabi sa akin, nakapunta ka na sa ganito. Sabi ko, saan yan?
Saan yan?
Exactly, saan? 'Di ba?
Ala, sa mga hotel lang, like Hampton, ganun, local.
Hampton.
Kimpton dapat pupunta kami, kaya lang na
Ako nakapunta sa Hampton, like, still doon.
Ako hindi pa.
Yeah, not yet. Kimpton, Indigo yung pinunta natin, di ba?
Oo.
And Westin and Marriott.
Hindi, she meant like nagsistay.
Oh, wow.
Like, you see the
Never pa ako
room and
nagstay sa
everything.
hotel.
Oh, tangin na, B.
Pero hindi lokal na ko eh. More on tourist eh.
Andito na ang mga manok.
Canadian,
Nakita nila yung
British.
Popeyes chicken, yung mga pinsan nyo tong kinakain namin. Pero at least I love that for you, ha? Like, hindi naman sa may problema sa mga lokal dito, but I feel like it's
Oo,
such a
hindi.
small island.
Hindi, meron din naman lokal, pero more on kasi 'di ba sabi ko nga sa yung gusto ng lokal hindi ko gusto.
Kung
Like,
gusto ng lokal, hindi mo gusto.
yung sabi ko sa yung gusto ko nilang jowain pero sa kanila ka lang, ganun. Tapos sila sa
Oh,
iba.
and then like, may iba
parang-
sila, ganon.
Oo, ganun yung sa akin eh, kumausap sa akin ng ilang kaya di na ako Ayoko naman yun, magkasakit pa ako.
Anong religion yun, yung maraming asawa? Islam ba yun? Or what? Muslimo? O kala nila Muslim sila, B. Na isang po yung asawa nila, tapos ikaw yung pinaka-main.
Hindi nga ako yung main eh. Side lang din ako eh.
Side lang. Part-time lang.
Pero mo, ikaw yung main, tas yung 9 na asawa, tagalinis nyo lang, pero asawa sila, ganun. Ganun yung parang...
Na parang si Maha Salvador lang ako sa part na yun.
Oo, minsan pag lumalabas kami, ganun ang mga introduction namin. Like, pag tinanong kami yung pangalan namin, my name is Andrea Brillantes.
Sinasabi mo yun?
Ay, oo, bakit?
Saan mo?
MG
Hello,
lang.
libre.
MG lang lagi.
MG.
MG.
Hindi, minsan na din eh.
So, hindi, ayun lang, MG. Pero di ko sasabihin yung tunay na pangalan ko. Pero pag kinuha nila yung sa comment, ibibigay ko. Dagdag followers din yun eh.
Ay, oo. Kahit sa TikTok man lang, di ba? Yeah.
Oh, that's nice, no? As long as you guys are enjoying life.
Ay, oo, we
Living in the
enjoy
moment.
living in the moment. Pero
Sobra.
ang gusto ko lang talaga sa buhay is yung hindi na magtrabaho and just
Same
live the
thing.
moment, So gusto ko na lang maging sirena.
Ganun.
Ako hindi, mag-a-apply ako sa 2028 sa cruise ship.
Wow.
Oh my
Gusto ko
God,
mag-cruise
Lee.
ship.
I think that would be good for you.
So you'll have to go to the US, to Jamaica to get a US visa.
Yes.
While you're still young, alam mo yun, tas while you're still,
Para
walang
nakakapag-travel
masyadong
ako ng libre
obligation.
kasi ang sobrang ang expensive eh. Gusto ko din naman maglibot. So,
At saka hindi mo naman din need talagang bumaba ng cruise ship kasi the people inside the cruise ship is already a lot, and then kung sino-sino talaga mamimit mo na maganda yung mga personality, makaban mo, ganyan. So,
Kasi mga nakaban mo. At this
tapos dadaling ka sa room nila
Pagka
sa cabin.
humihinto nga dito yung mga cruise ship eh. Diyos ko, ang dami nagtitit sa
Oo,
akin.
alam
Lalo
mo
nang
ba,
lapit-lapit mo na.
Oo!
iaakit din sa cruise ship.
Feel ko naman nasa ano to, nasa attic to. Yan nagkaroon ng ano. Pero yeah.
This is fun. Like, I think for our first...
joining my episode.
Oh yeah, of
Felt
course.
with
Thank you for having us. I think this first group vlog is still a bit, there. But I feel like on our next vlogs or our next podcast, it's gonna be a lot of fun.
Probably soon sa bahay niyo naman para at least
Pag may AC na.
play games and everything kasi parating na naman yung mga games ko eh. So,
Oh yeah, yung mga may mic and stuff. I feel like pag kasi nung kinakabit yung AC, we needed like a bracket. So,
yeah, sa iyo Tom's they have it for sure.
I think so. But they're closed today.
So yeah, we can do like on February, like yung mga games.
Oh yeah, we
Yeah, kasi marami akong
can.
binili yung mga physical games na pwede natin laruin and everything.
Everyone at the house?
Of course,
Yeah, oh my gosh. Ready ka ba sa mga vlog na ganun?
For the vlog.
Ilang microphone?
For the content.
Anyway, okay, yung ending mo ulit. Go.
Thank you for watching and see you on the next episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you have any questions, feel free to DM me or leave it on the comment section.
Alright, bye!
Thanks!
Ha?
May sasabihin ba tayo? Oh my God. Follow me on my socials.
No, I'm a discreet.
I'm a discreet. I'm a discreet. Yes, alam nyo na.